Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Garmin watch to Runna app. That's very easy. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch your Runna app. Make sure you're logged in, and once you are, come at the top left, click on your profile icon. And from here you'll see all of these options. I want you to scroll down until you see connected apps and devices, okay? And I want you to just tap on this. And right here, you should see watches. And under watches, you'll see this option that says Connect Watch. And among the supported ones is Garmin. So tap on Connect Watch. And from here, I want you to select Garmin right here. And you can go ahead and click here on Sync to Garmin to basically sync it to your watch. Tap on Sync to Garmin. And then once this loads up, I want you to just sign in with your email and password, or you can go ahead and create an account as well. Otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.